Hello, welcome to the session on open corner joint on mild steel plate of 10 mm thickness in 3F vertical position. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to prepare and set the job as per drawing. Select electrode, current and polarity. Set the short arc and tack weld. Deposit root, second and third weaving runs in upward direction. Clean and inspect for surface defects. The tools and equipment used for open corner joint on MS plate are 2 mild steel plates of 10 mm thickness, shielded metal arc welding SMAW with a suitable welding electrode like E6010 or E6011, metal files, clamps, welding table, wire brush and chipping hammer. Here is the procedure for open corner joint on mild steel plate of 10 mm thickness in 3F vertical position using shielded metal arc welding SMAW. First step is to clean the 2 mild steel plates by using wire brush. Prepare the square edges on the plates for the better fusion after welding. Position the 2 pieces to be welded in 90-degree angle vertically and hold them in place using clamps. Then maintain a uniform root cap of 1.5 to 2 mm and tack weld the 2 plates together to form an 87-degree angle between the inner faces of the plates. Clean the joint thoroughly by using wire brush. Now, we need to weld the joint vertically upwards. For that, we need to provide 3 layers of welding. They are root run, intermediate run, and final run. First, we will start with the root run. Take 3.15 mm diameter electrode and set 110 ampere in the welding machine. Start the welding by beginning the initial arc on the joint. Then proceed the welding in vertically upward direction. Maintain an electrode angle of 80 degree to the line of weld and give weaving motion to the electrode. Once the root run is completed, clean the weldment area by using wire brush and inspect the weldment area visually. Then start the intermediate run over the root run. For this, take 4 mm diameter electrode and 160 ampere welding current. The angle of the electrode should be 80 degree off the line of the weld and the arc length should be short. Once the intermediate run is completed, clean the weldment area by using wire brush and inspect the weldment area visually. Then, deposit the final run over the intermediate run. For that, take 4 mm diameter electrode and 160 ampere welding current. Maintain the same welding angle as used in the previous runs. Once the final run is completed, clean the weldment area by using wire brush and inspect the weldment area visually. Let's recap the key points discussed. Prepare the square edges on the mild steel plates and position the two pieces to be welded at 90-degree angle vertically. Take 3.15 mm diameter electrode and set 110 ampere in the welding machine. Tack weld the two plates together to form an 87-degree angle between the inner faces of the plates. The three layers of welding in open corner joint are root run, intermediate run, and final run. Clean the weldment area by using wire brush in each run and finally inspect the weldment area visually. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the open corner joint welding on mild steel plate of 10 mm thickness in 3F vertical position. See you in the next session.